Hello there. We got another project, and in this on this opportunity, we're gonna replace the rack and pinion. This car was leaking the fluid, and it wasn't dropping nothing, so I didn't know where the oil were going. So I checked it. I checked all the lines and everything underneath, and nothing was leaking. This is normal leaking, but it was leaking a lot, and I didn't know where the oil were going. So I checked inside, and I noticed that the oil were coming out from here, and all the oil went inside the car. So the carpet is full of oil underneath, and it needs to be cleaned. So it was leaking from there. So I'm gonna have to replace the rack and pinion, and in order to replace it, I need to remove this bolt on this thing right here. I need to remove this bolt. Put this seat belt on the steering wheel, that way it won't move. I have to take it off right here, and I got the replacement here, so I had to remove 2 bolts right here and 2 bolts right here. This is the one that I'm going to remove from inside, and I need to remove these 2 hoses, these 2 lines. So in order to remove it, I think I need to remove the motor engine crater, this right here. So I'm gonna take these bolts out on both sides and loose the front. Just loose the front, that way I don't have to drop it. Just loose it to get space to remove the bolts from that one. I think we're gonna have to remove the bolt on the transmission mount. We'll see. We're gonna start on this thing and see what happens. I'll be right back. I'm gonna remove swivel links, second number 15. Something in the back. Remove the tie rod in, the outer tie rod in, socket number 17. Come on. Now what I do is just hit this right here, and it's gonna come out. So let me get the hammer and Ready to get those out. Just need to hammer it a little bit. There you go. Side. Back. I'm going to remove these 3 bolts, number 14 for the transmission mount. That's nasty. Okay. Now, I need to take the screws out of this line. This one, number 10 here, and one on the back, and then remove these bolts. And we're gonna put the jack here and hold it, and then bring it down. Okay. Gotta loose it. Second number 19. Okay. That's good. Side. Good. Rear one. So number 19 as well. Remove it completely. Okay. To remove the bracket on the muffler on both sides. That way I can bring the engine cradle down and then see if I can lose the bolts on the rack and pinion. I'll be right back. There you have it. Now I just need to take these 2 bolts here, I think right here. Yeah, one right there. This is number 17. And 2 bolts here, number 17 too. And also remove those 2 lines with a wrench, number 17. So let's do that, and we'll see what happens. I'll be back. Okay, got it out. In order to remove, you need to remove these 2 bolts and bring it out from here. Okay, we are ready to put it back together, and all we need to do is prepare to process, and that's pretty much all you need to do. I thought it's gonna be more difficult, but I think it's good since you can unbolt the engine crater and bring it down. That makes the job easier. So I had to replace this rod end because the other one was different, a little bit longer. So I took it off from here and unbolted from here and put all the things together, tied it, put the clamp again, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. If you had the same situation and you had to replace it, so let me put it back together and then I can see if I'll show you how to bleed the air out of the system. I'll be back. Okay, we just finished the rack and pinion. It's already on the place, so now all we have to do is put the power steering fluid. We want to put it in there, turn the wheel right and left to bleed the air, and then we're gonna, well, you have to do it several times, and then start the car and turn the wheel again right and left, and until you can hear the whining noise. So this is all I wanted to share with you, and I hope this video helps somebody, and so that way you can do it at home, and you don't have to pay a lot of money to do this, because I think this job is expensive if you take it to the dealer or a professional mechanic. So I'm gonna cut the video and put some fluid on this thing and bring it down. So be safe, and God bless you all. Bye.